There it is. Hey everyone, Dr. Angie here. We got Bella. We're dealing with some back pain, more so on the left side. All right, we got some mid-back stuff going on, so we're gonna check it out. We think we might have some rib fixation going on. How long have we been feeling it?
Yesterday, this morning.
Yesterday, okay.
Yeah,
So not
crazy.
like we've been dealing with it for a week or something,
No.
but just the leaning over, bending, reaching,
Oh,
picking
with
up
the
a
kids.
kid. Yeah.
You know, the little finger.
Hand holding as you're walking around with them.
Spend a lot of time in this position.
We don't want to end up like that. All right, let me have you go ahead and lay face down for me.
Meow.
And you got the armrests up by your side. There you go.
Dun, 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 dun.
And you get all the beautiful, luscious locks out of the way. There's some of them already. Yeah.
Yeah, you
Right
feel
in here?
that? Yeah.
Okay. Not a ton of low back stuff going on, or just tight as usual?
Just tight. I do a lot of bending.
You do.
The whole spine is not happy.
All right, I'm gonna do a little lift with your hips here. One hand on the front, little lift and twist. Good. One more. Good. A little bit of the rib, right? All right, we're gonna do that same thing on the other side.
I love those ones. They're so cool.
Right?
You're like the only doctor I see that does this adjustment.
I think I'm the one that kind of introduced it to him. There it is. Yeah.
I love that one.
Breath in for me here. And breathe it all out. Good. Yeah.
My neck's always got a lot going on.
Go ahead and let your head kind of rock. Flip to the side. Maybe rock over here. Yeah, you got it on the other side too.
So nice and yummy.
There it is.
Whoa. That was a good one.
That was a good one. All right, I'm going to bring you on up. I'll have you turn over. Actually, go ahead and lay on your side facing me. We're going to get the lower back too.
Woohoo! Because why not?
Need it.
You never, no reason not to. Might as well.
Slide a little bit closer. Perfect. Breath in for me. And breathe it all out. Good. Nice. And
Such a cool low back adjustment. So cool.
You're quite crunchy.
You are crunchy. But
Oh, I know.
It makes it better for videos, right?
I love that I'm crunchy.
Breath in. And breathe it all out. Good.
Oh,
And flat on your back.
so cool. People watching are probably like, how does she do that? I don't know.
Yeah, it's
It's
magic.
all in the flick of the leg.
Oh yeah. How's that feel?
Yummy.
Yummy? Okay.
Yummy.
Does it radiate anywhere? Not getting headaches or anything?
No.
Tension there?
It hasn't moved yet.
That's good. You don't want it to move.
No. I do soft tissue like pretty regularly
Good.
throughout the night. So it moves better.
Oh, I like the pearl earring.
Oh,
that one's
thank
cute.
you.
I like all of them, but that one got
Pearl
me. I was like,
specifically?
ooh, yeah.
Stretch those traps.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Felt that one?
I did. Nice. Art 2.0.
Right? All right. Little adjustment here. Let your head rock with me there. Good.
Yummy.
And lower on this side. Good. Extra crunchy. All right. Awesome. All right, we're gonna go for this one first.
We're doing a wraparound?
Yeah. Let me get this in the pocket.
So let's not stab you with the ring.
Yeah, I was like, no stabbing you or the table with the ring.
The table will be fine.
And breathe it all out. Tiniest bit. You
little
might have gotten a lot of
baby.
that on when you were face down. Same thing over here.
I think I move better face down than my ribs.
Yeah. Well, here, breath in. And breathe it all out.
There it is.
Nice.
That
All
was
right.
nice.
Got 'em.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Now I can bend and move all day.
All right. Awesome.
Nice.
Feeling a little looser?
Yes, thank you so much.
Bend down. Do you feel that pull in the rib?
No.
Wonderful.
That's awesome.
Yay.
Thank you. Oh my
welcome.
goodness.